If your Android is charging slowly or not charging at all, the problem might be a dirty charging port. So let's figure out how we can clean it. So first of all, ensure that the problem is not with the cable. Check your cable, check whether it's working or not. Try to use a different cable on your Android phone. Maybe this will work, right? If not, let's clean our charging port. So before doing that, you have to turn off your phone. So simply press and hold the power button, choose your power off option, and give it a couple minutes to be powered off. You should use your flashlight or work under bright light so you can clearly see the port and what you're cleaning. That helps to avoid unnecessary damage. Also, if you have a compressed air, use your can of compressed air and make a few short gentle sprays into the port. This will help to blow out dust and debris and check if it's working afterwards. It still didn't help, so grab your wooden toothpick, grab your port and gently, without touching any electronic stuff inside, clean out all the walls and scrap it along the edges to remove dirt and lint. Be careful not to damage the contact pins, right? Also, get a special toothbrush or your actual toothbrush, right? And clean it off. So simply do this movement, just like this, to clean out all the dust, because sometimes it really helps. After that, we can plug in the charger to see if it works. Make sure that the cable fits snugly into a port. So as you see, it's charging, which is a very good sign. Right, if your phone still didn't charge, you can always try to restart it. Do a force restart. For most Android devices like Samsung Galaxy, you are to hold volume down and power button simultaneously until the logo appears. And if none of those steps works, there might be a more severe issue, possibly damaged battery or internal components. In this case, it's best to visit a certified service center for professional diagnosis and repair. Basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing on our channel.